Friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Plaza Finance airdrop. Now, Plaza Finance is on the base network, and farming this airdrop is pretty simple, and I will be showing you all the steps involved. So, it's a DeFi protocol for trading bonds, and you can also take leverage on Plaza Finance. Now, before we move on to that, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Mexi Global using my referral link in the description, which will give you 8,000 USDT as sign up bonus. And Mexi Global has the lowest buying and the selling fee. So currently there is no buying fee, and the selling fee or the taker fee is only 0.02%. So if you are dealing in futures, this is one of the best exchanges out there. Now in order to farm the Plaza Finance airdrop, you will need to have a EVM compatible wallet. So I would recommend is going ahead and downloading and set up a MetaMask wallet on your Chrome browser. Now I've already done it. Now the next thing is you will need to go ahead and request for some base Cephalia testnet tokens. So simply go to alchemy.com, all the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. And once you're here on alchemy.com, you can go ahead and create an account on alchemy.com and then go to your MetaMask wallet, copy the MetaMask wallet address from here, paste it over here and click on send me ETH. Please note that this should be on the base Cephalia and not any other Cephalia. And once you get this base Cephalia testnet tokens in your MetaMask wallet, you will need to go ahead and sign up for the Plaza Finance airdrop. So simply go ahead and sign up. And the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and connect your MetaMask wallet. So in this case, I have already gone ahead and connected my MetaMask wallet. Now the next thing is you can go ahead and get some Plaza testnet tokens by simply clicking over here. Within 5 to 10 minutes, you will be getting these testnet tokens. Now we will need to go ahead and earn some additional Plaza points. So simply go to earn, click on this and click on buy bond ETH. So let's say if I put like 0.05 WST ETH, it will give me around 1.72 bond. So let me go ahead and click on buy and we'll wait for a MetaMask to pop up, and as you can see it's on the base Cephalia, and we'll go ahead and click on confirm. So now the transaction is processed, and as you can see I've got a message that you have created bond ETH. Now also what you can do is you can head to leverage, and over here you can go ahead and buy this leveraged ETH. So we'll go ahead and click on buy, and once again we'll put 0.05 and click on buy and wait for the MetaMask to pop up, and we'll go ahead and confirm the transaction on the MetaMask wallet, and once again we'll go ahead and confirm the transaction. So within like 10 to 15 seconds this transaction would be successful and you would be getting this leverage ETH as well. Now the last thing you can do is you can go ahead and invite your friends and family members in order to earn some additional points. And the last thing that you will need to do is you will need to head to guild.xyz and go ahead and connect your MetaMask wallet and search for Plaza Finance and try to get all of this role. So you have to go ahead and join the Discord, and you have to be the Twitter follower, emailer and Farcaster follower. So these are some of the steps as to how you can go ahead and farm the Plaza Finance airdrop. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.